In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users and groups using DocuSign CLM. Understanding how to efficiently manage users and groups within your DocuSign CLM account is crucial for maintaining effective workflows and ensuring that the right people have access to the necessary documents and permissions. So let's walk through this process step by step to make it easy for you to follow along. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the DocuSign website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the web address for DocuSign. This platform is widely recognized as the #1 provider of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management. Once you have arrived at the DocuSign homepage, your next step is to log in. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on it and then enter your credentials to access your DocuSign account. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by your DocuSign homepage. This is your main hub within the platform, where you can access all of DocuSign's features and tools. From here, you'll want to locate the admin button. It's typically positioned at the top of the screen or within a main navigation menu. Clicking on admin will redirect you to the administrative dashboard, which is specifically designed for managing account settings, users, and groups. Now that you're on the admin dashboard, the next thing you want to do is focus on the users section. You'll find this option listed among other administrative categories. Click on Users to open a detailed page that lists all current users associated with your DocuSign account. Here you can perform a variety of actions such as modifying user settings or adding new users. To add a new user, look for the Add User button. Clicking on this option will trigger a form where you'll need to enter the new user's details, such as their name, email address, and any specific role they will have within DocuSign. Take a moment to ensure all entered information is correct before submitting. Once you've successfully added the desired users, you might also want to set up new groups. This can be particularly beneficial for managing larger teams or organizing users based on departments or project responsibilities. To add a new group, navigate to the Groups option within the admin dashboard. Similar to adding users, this section will allow you to view all existing groups. You'll see an Add Group button here. Click on it and input the necessary group details to create a new category for your team members. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added new users and groups to your DocuSign CLM account. Managing these elements efficiently will help streamline your digital workflows, boost collaboration, and enhance document management within your organization. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.